turn a couple turns by hand. See, it's already
starting.
Rivets, yeah, the rivets are quite soft, so you can get it started like that. Then we drill it. And I'm watching around it to see that it stays concentric. It stays the same amount of rivets. And then I'm re-aiming the drill. It looked like it was a little going this way, so I aimed it, got it back again. Now, I'm only going to drill until I'm through the head. Then I'm going to take a 3/32 punch, put it in that hole, and snap the head up. Now I can see the rivet shank. You can see there's rivet all the way around. I didn't touch the skin, so I got it on the center. So now, but it is thicker on this side than this side, so I'll aim it back just a little bit before it. Or we can try it and see if it'll punch out. It feels pretty solid. Oh, yeah, but it would go. If we were out here, it might not, because it would move too much, spring too much. A couple things you can do. You can hold a steel bar, a bucking bar beside it when you tap it. You can use a pair of dikes like this. Notice how these are ground flush on this side. Usually they have a cutting edge on this side. What this lets you do is get it right next to the skin and grab the shop head. This is the back side. Get a hold of that and you work it just a little bit, and then usually it'll pop right out.
Okay.
So there are a lot of different ways of getting the shank out once the head is off. So to start with, just take the heads off.
All right.
Then we'll go back and practice all the different ways of getting the shanks out.
Okay.
Okay. What we want to do, it doesn't matter how long it takes, we don't want to damage the skin. Even though when we get it off, we're going to throw the skin away. But this is where we're going to get good at it, is taking this out.
Okay.
So I've got 3. I'll get another. I think we can probably handle 4 guns at this at once. So like a couple of you could get started center punching, finding the centers. To find the center, if you take a file and just lightly, works better if it doesn't have a handle. There you can see the dimple. See it? So now you know where to put the center punch to get the mark. So, okay.
Would you mind demonstrating the drilling the top out? Again, I wasn't here for that.
It's center punch it, get it right on the mark. And then when you start it, you can start it just like that. And you can see it's already making curls. So now I have very good control of actually getting started. So now when I pull the trigger, now I'm watching around it to see that my drill is that there's the same amount of space all the way around it. If it gets thicker on one side, I got to get back in that direction. Okay. And whatever it takes. And it will not happen that you get it straight, started straight, pull the trigger. It's not going to happen. It's just going to stay straight. You have to keep it straight until it's the depth you want. If you have to move around too much, you won't be able to pop the head off with your punch. But that's not as long as you didn't damage it. There are other ways to get it off. Don't worry about that. But work toward that. Okay, I'm going to stop. I went just a little bit deeper than I wanted to that time. Okay. Now, see, I puckered it just with my punch, so I went deeper than I wanted to, so my punch a little deeper and I puckered the skin a little bit there. Okay, so that's what you don't want. And then you can give it a try, see if it'll punch it. If it doesn't, don't damage the structure. There are other ways to get it out.
Okay.
Okay? Cool. So, that's where we're headed. Some guys can be prepping holes, some guys can be drilling. We want to take out everything. If it's awkward to get to the front side, you can drill the shop side. Keep in mind, when you drill the shop head, there's a greater possibility of it not being centered. So be extra careful not to go too deep. But you can drill off either side.
Cool.
Okay?
How did you get a nice craftsman?
And I don't.
There's a couple of punches there, but
I don't know how deep you're supposed to go. Where's the pump? How to go deeper?
no, I think you're definitely deep enough there. Just
That's too big. Let me go. I
I got some right here.
I don't find it that hard.
Yeah?
Have you done it before? That's why he doesn't like it so much. No, I've never found it hard. Like, I don't think I've ever found it hard.
This? It's definitely.
I haven't done thousands of these, but you can be our spokesperson. Tell us what's going on. What's going on?
Well, we've got this wing.
Good.
Careful not to get your finger behind it.
Do what?
Careful not to get your finger behind it. We'll come back and figure out what to do.